Mr. Chowdary, thanks for talking to us. Let's start with the equity structure and investment of this joint venture that you've entered into with Global Munition. Share with us what the capital outlay is for the joint venture and how do you plan to fund this? Is it going to be through internal accruals, external funding? Let's start with that and then talk about business.
Yeah, good morning and thank you very much for having me on the show. Coming to the joint venture, what we have proposed to form with Global Munitions Limited, we are going to be a 49% partner in it, and then 51% comes from the Nive Group. And we want to fund it with our internal accruals and also the proposed fundraising we have planned through QIP or other things. And it is expected to contribute at least 1,000 crores in 2 or 3 years span. It is expected to come 1,000 crores turnover company, the JV company. And we being for the 44 years in explosives business and an energetic materials business, and Nibe being the fast growing company which is producing hardware and all those, we want to have a totally complementary to each other skills and performance, and then expect a big growth in future.
Mr. Chowdary, sorry, can you just for the sake of simplicity, tell us what are the key aspects of this JV? We understand the stake split is 49 and 51. When does the whole project come on stream, if you will, and what does it do to your books in terms of numbers and capabilities? Mr. Chowdary,
Hello,
can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Could you hear my question, sir?
Yeah, I heard your question. Right now, we are in a fast track mode, and we expect in the coming 5-6 months, the plans should be on the table, and then we are working seriously on those. And we being in explosive industry, there is a limitation of the land and then areas and all those. So we plan to overcome that with the participation of we along with the Nibe, and then expect to do it faster. And Premier Explosives is expected to gain the additional turnover which I have planned and shared with you in my previous meeting. The joint venture also is expected to contribute significantly to the turnover of Premier Explosives and then profitability.
Sir, can you tell us, I heard you say fast track, the line isn't completely clear, but I heard you say fast track, maybe 6 months or thereabouts. Let's assume everything stabilizes in the next 12 months. So let's assume NF. What does this JV do to your numbers, just for recapping? Let's say in FY 27, 28, what have you. Can you give us some idea?
See, the JV is supposed to do the business which is not done by both of us. That is, we will be adding the new products, and Bouquet will have more products which both joint venture partners will benefit from these products. And this is expected to, by next year, we are expecting a turnover of 200 crores from the JV. But in the coming 3-4 years, we expect a bigger jump.
How much bigger, sir? I mean, could you give some number there? Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. 200 crores in FY 26. Beyond that, some numbers.
Yeah, in coming 3 years, we expect to cross 500 crores. That is a visible target.
Right. Mr. Chowdary, thank you for sort of helping us with a little bit of those numbers that you mentioned. What is the size of the market size in the defense and the aerospace products that they're going to be manufacturing with this partner of yours? And what is the market share that you are seeking in the next 3 to 5 years from here? So give me the size of opportunity and where you see that at. I think 300 to 500 crores is what you indicated to Neeraj.
Yes.
And also, you had guided for about 500 crores revenue in FY25 and a 20% growth for FY26. Does this pencil in the potential growth that is going to come through this JV, or this is over and above this 20% projection for 26?
Yeah, when those projections were given, the JV was not in our visibility. So since this is a new development, we expect this is going to be the additional income and growth for Premier.
For me to assume, sir, that on 500 crores, 20%, which is another 100 odd crores that you would grow at, you will continue to add another 400 odd crores because of this joint venture?
Yeah, that is the coming 3-4 years is going to add that 400.
Okay. Will this also improve your margin profile?
Margins will be between 15 to 20%.
Okay, sir. And also, your current order book is about 827 crores. How much of this is going to be executed in the current financial year? And are you, I mean, of course, you're already working on this joint venture to expand your order book, I'm assuming. What I want to understand, is it going to be lumpy or is it going to be evenly distributed in this year? And what are we expecting for FY26 in terms of pipeline outside of this joint venture?
Now, this is going to be distributed evenly because our projection of current year is something between 450 to 500 crores. So this is going to be spread out on this year and then next year. But of course, along with that, we have a lot of other products in pipeline. So those are going to contribute in the next year, the orders, new orders which are going to come. They will maintain the order book level.
Okay. Okay. So my final question, Mr. Chowdary, I saw that your March 24 numbers were 270 crores. I'm rounding it off to 300 crores, right? Is there some guidance that you're giving for FY25, 26 and 27 in particular? Because you probably are adding a third of your annual revenue by virtue of this JV in FY26, and then maybe more than that in FY27. So any formal guidance that you're giving for Premier Explosives overall consolidated numbers for the next 2 or 3 years?
See, the JV company, you know that we are in the
49. Yeah, agree.
Yeah, no, the JV company where again there will be all defense industry, there will be gestation period establishing the project and all those. So I think the contribution will come from the year 26, 27 afterwards only is expected.
Right. But therefore, so okay, keeping all of that in mind, is there a formal guidance for Premier Explosives consolidated numbers, FY25, 26 or 27? Some color, if not an exact number.
26, 27, yeah, we can start that. We can expect the starting of revenue. And probably 27, 28, at least we can start with 200 to 50 crores of contribution from this JV.
Got it. My final question, Mr. Chowdary, not from this JV alone. Overall, Premier Explosives, is there a guidance?
Yeah, overall Premier Explosives, like I told you, we are targeting a turnover of 1,000 crores by year 28, 29. This JV will additionally, that should bring another 200 or 300 crores.
Okay, okay. Fair call. Okay. Sorry I missed that, but thank you so much, Mr. Chowdary, for joining us today and giving us your thoughts. That's Premier Explosives, 1,000 crores of revenue in console FY29 though. 28, 29, I'm presuming he meant 29, so that's some time away. Let's wait and watch.